After helping over 20 business owners book sales calls and get clients from YouTube, I can confidently say that if you want to grow your business with YouTube videos, the single most important thing that you need is the right video ideas. If you don't have that, you can do everything else right, have the best looking thumbnails, the most professional editing, deliver the most amount of value, but you still won't see clients coming in because your video ideas are ass. So let me show you the exact strategies we use to come up with YouTube video ideas that attract your ideal clients and print money. So first, I want to talk about the difference between a bad video idea and a good video idea. So the difference can literally be thousands of dollars in revenue. You can see this was one of our clients' recent videos. It was uploaded, I think, 4 weeks ago. And this video that you can see right here generated 1.5K plus dollars in revenue. Versus if you don't focus on the video idea, usually the performance will suffer. And you can see this video generated $0 in revenue. So by nailing this one thing, you can literally add thousands of dollars or even tens of thousands of dollars to your monthly revenue. So the first method we use is competitor analysis. The reality is that the best way to succeed on YouTube is to copy other successful people. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Do what's already working for others and you will see results much faster. So the first method you can use inside of competitor analysis is that you copy people in your niche. So first, find a competitor with an established channel. So let's say you're a copywriter. This is one channel that is really big in the copywriting niche, Cardinal Mason. So this is a really good competitor to research. Now, the second step is you want to screen for outlier videos. These are videos that got 3 to 10 times the amount of views as their average videos. And you can also download vidIQ, the Chrome extension, to make this process a whole lot easier. So how you do this is you go through his recent videos and you can see his average views are like between 3,000 and like 15,000 more or less. But first, like you can see here, an outlier video like 26K. You can see that I have the vidIQ Chrome extension, so it shows the multiplier. You can really easily screen through his videos. Here's another outlier, although this is not copywriting specific, so I would probably pass on this. But again, like copywriting course, free course, another outlier video, and you can see each of these outlier concepts. These will probably work really well for your channel as well. Another outlier video, 4 years of copywriting advice in 8 minutes. You can just use the same kind of idea in your channel. And once you have a couple of these ideas, you can take these same concepts and tweak them a little bit. Because if you're a copywriter and you're researching your own niche, it would be too obvious to take it word by word. That's why you want to tweak it. So you can tweak a little bit the words in the title, you can change the thumbnail concept, you can mix it with other video ideas, but you don't have to change it that much, even though it's in the same niche, because everyone is stealing video concepts from each other on YouTube. Now, the second method you can use inside of this is to copy people from other niches. This is even more powerful because you can take already proven video ideas and use it in your niche, and this way you'll have much less competition because probably you're the first person who applied this in your niche. So the first step is that you find successful channels in similar niches. So like, for example, you're a dropshipping coach, you can see copywriting, you can see Amazon FBA or any other online business models that people are teaching, and you can go and find big channels in those niches. If you, let's say, run a B2B agency, you can go into Google Ads, SEO, cold email, all of these niches and see who are the biggest creators in each of these. Then you do the same thing. So you go on the channels and find outlier videos, just as I outlined previously. Then you can literally just apply this concept to your niche. So for example, let's say you research copywriters, but you're a dropshipper. So you find this video idea, let's say like 5 years of copywriting knowledge in 20 minutes. You can just apply this to your niche by, tweaking it a little bit, maybe 3 years of dropshipping knowledge in 60 minutes or, something like that. Or in the B2B niche, you can do the same thing, 5 best Facebook ad creatives for 2025. And let's say you're teaching LinkedIn ads or you have a LinkedIn ads agency, you can take it in your niche and apply it. So like 6 best LinkedIn ads creatives for 2025. The second method is that you use a software called 1 of 10. I recently started using this tool and it's a huge time saver. So how it works is that you can search for anything and it will give you outlier videos in those topics. This saves a ton of time when looking for ideas because you don't have to do it manually, like all the process of coming up with competitors or like searching on YouTube and finding outlier videos. It just literally gives it to you. You can search for more general terms or specific ideas you already have and see good performing titles and thumbnails. So let me demonstrate this quickly for you. Here I am in the tool. So let's say you want to make videos about like SMMA or something, you're an SMMA coach, right? You can see that I type this here and it just gives all the outlier videos. I actually like to put in filters. So like here you can like put the multiplier in. The higher the multiplier is, the more the video is an outlier. You can also put like the video duration, views, subscribers, date, all that stuff. And you can just find already proven ideas and outlier videos. Now, if you want to go more specific, you can do something like how to get SMA clients. And you can see that it gives you the videos that perform well in this specific video idea or video concept. And this is super powerful because you can literally just do the same as in the last method, tweaking the idea and making it your own. I just created an affiliate link to sign up for one of them. So if you want to get started with this tool, you can just like click the link in the description and do that. I think I will get like a percentage or something. Now, the next method is parts of your offer. So what you do here is you go through your service or offer and break it down into parts. Then you create a video about each of these parts. So to give you an overview of how that works, let's say you're an Amazon FBA coach. You might have a coaching program where you talk about finding winning products, creating listings, fulfilling orders, all this stuff. So for each of these buckets, you can break them down into video ideas. So for example, for this first bucket where you teach people how to find winning products, you can make a video about product research methods. You can make a video about top winning products. So you just like literally list them the products. For the bucket where you create listings or help them create listings, you can create a video where you screen share how you do it. You can also create a video with a checklist of what things to make sure and go over when creating listings, all that stuff. For the third bucket, fulfilling orders, you can create videos where you explain people how to find suppliers or common mistakes people make here. And you can see how this can give you a really big list of video ideas that will work super well to attract the right type of people. Because the reason that this works well is that the audience that these videos will attract are the exact type of people that you can help. The next method is pain points you fix. So this is pretty similar to the previous one, but instead of the parts of your service, you find the biggest pain points of your ideal clients that your service fixes. Then you create videos and position them in a way that appeals to these people because you offer solutions to these exact problems, so you will attract the right type of people. To give you an example, let's say you have agencies grow. Problem number one for these ideal clients that you have is that they are not getting enough clients, they are charging too low, they have high churn. So you can just list all of these problems, and then for each of these pain points, you can create a dedicated video that solves that. So here are some videos that you can create for these exact pain points: how to get unlimited clients for your agency, how I sign $5,000 clients for my SMMA, how to keep agency clients forever, 0% churn, etc., etc. And you can come up with much more. Now, the last method is using trends. So if you know how to leverage trends on YouTube, you can make a lot of money with it. One recent example was this whole like ChatGPT and AI trend that was going on the internet. About a year ago, if you just put ChatGPT or AI into your titles, you could get 5 to 10 times more views. I put here a couple of examples of people that leverage this exact trend. You can see like basically all the biggest guys did this. Now, some other examples of trends were Andrew Tate, the election, etc. And the key here is to stay up to date with trends and try to write them at the right time. Now that you have these methods, it's really important to know how to actually use them, because you can just use these to come up with an infinite amount of video ideas that will attract your ideal clients. But the best way to use these is to combine them. So let me give you an example of how you can combine it. Let's say you have coaches scared to $100,000 per month, like that's your offer. And let's say you broke down your service into parts, and one of the parts is creating a coaching offer. Once you have that and you know that you can make videos targeting that bucket of your service, you can put that into the software of One of 10 that I was talking about earlier and get a bunch of good titles and thumbnails for that video. Here, let me show you. So you just put here, create a coaching offer, and you can see a ton of videos in this exact topic. These will be really good video ideas that you can just tweak a little bit and then implement it. You can also get ideas for packaging, so like the thumbnail, and this method just works super well. Now, apart from the video ideas, there's a lot more that goes into scaling your personal brand and getting clients on YouTube. I'm talking about scripts, thumbnails, editing, SEO, the call to actions you make, the content strategy that you have, and a lot of other stuff. And to be honest, it's very hard to scale your business with YouTube if you don't nail each of these things. So if you want a specialized team to help you do all of this so you can grow your business with YouTube videos and not work more than 3 hours per month on this, then book a free call with me down below. We helped over 20 business owners scale with YouTube. You can check our previous work and case studies on our website here or in the description as well. And I would love to have a chat with you and see if we can help you as well. So yeah, book your call down below and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.